Hey there, guess what? I just wrapped up yet another mind-blowing book for one of my awesome clients. You absolutely have to check it out. It's officially live on Amazon right now. So rush over and grab yourself a copy. Are you an author with a story that needs to be told? Let's make that dream a reality. With Feminine Solutions, you can bring your idea to life like never before. Imagine seeing your words transform into a beautifully crafted book that reflects your unique voice. It is not just about writing, it is about creating something that resonates with readers and leave a mark. Whether you have a full manuscript or just a spark of an idea, I'm here to guide you every step of the way. I'm passionate about helping others shine, and I know exactly what it takes to make your book stand out in the crowd. So what are you waiting for? If you're ready to take that leap and see your idea come to life, click any of the link in my bio or comment on it to get started today. Your story deserves to be told. And hey, if you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscription button, like and share if you're excited about bringing more incredible stories to life. Let's make magic together. Let's do this.